Hello, Angel. Wow, you arrived on time.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, welcome back, Angel. And because of that, because you arrived on time, I'm giving you a point. Being on time, a thumbs up. And because of that, you arrive on time. I'm giving you a toy cat. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, let's wait to your classmates.
Không biết chữ gì ai cũng thế, cứ nhìn cái đọc là biết thì cần gì phải nói nhiều, nhưng mà con đi mấy cái đấy con biết rồi mà.
Let's wait to your classmates.
Học không biết hết gì nữa, học càng biết càng phải học, học bao giờ được chính thì không cần phải học.
How are you today, Angel?
Good.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm feeling good. Or you can say, I'm feeling great.
I'm feeling good.
Yes, good job. Okay, let's wait to Daisy and Jack. Where is Jack and Daisy? Okay, 1 minute left. Let's wait for 1 minute. Wow, you have a beautiful smile, Angel. Smile, smile. Beautiful smile. Can you see me, Angel? Okay. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Oh, Daisy, there you are. Okay, welcome back. Welcome back, Daisy.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay. We're waiting for Jack. Okay, Daisy, because you being on time, I'm giving you a thumbs up. And because of that, I'm giving you a toy teddy bear. Okay, where is Jack? Let's wait for Jack. Mhm. Okay, we are now complete. We are waiting for Jack. Okay, we are now complete. Okay, Jack. Hello, Jack. Hello. Hello, Jack. Are you there? Jack, where are you?
Chào cô giáo ạ.
Okay, Jack, you are late. Okay, let's start to our lesson. Hello, good evening, everyone. Can you see me? Please
Yes.
answer. Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, let's good to go. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Teacher Luna. I will be your teacher for today. Okay. Now, before we proceed to our lesson for today, let's have a recap. Let's have some recap about what did we learn about the other day. Okay, what words did we learn? Vocabulary words. Do you still remember them? Okay, I give you an example. Book. The other example, crayon. Okay, you can raise your hand if you still remember. I will give a point who we can remember about what we did learn about the other day. About poster. Okay, I will say the words we did that what we did learn the other day. Poster, board, desk, crayon, ruler, teacher, eraser, and rubber. Okay, so there is no points for today. And class, don't forget, we have a top 1, top 2, top 3 in a class. And who will be the top 1 in the class will give a gift from school. Okay? Don't forget that. So be good and do your best. Okay? Okay? Is everything clear? Okay, Daisy, where are you? Angel? Say okay. Okay. Hello? Hello, are you there? Hello? Say, okay, teacher. Okay, teacher. Say, okay. Angel. Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Jack. Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now let's start to our lesson. We are having Fun for Starters, Unit 23. And the title is At Our School. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's have section A. Write letters on the lines to complete the words. About our lesson for today. Okay, I will choose. Okay, Daisy, can you please answer about the first word?
Bookcase.
Answer is?
Is bookcase.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, next. Let's have the second word. April. Oh, sorry. Angel. Angel. Please answer second word. Angel, where are you? Hello, Angel. Okay, Jack, do you know the answer? About second word, our second word. It's, oh, Angel, there you are. Do you know the answer? What? And the answer is? Yes. Pencil case. Very good. That is a pencil case. Next, let's have the third word. Okay, Jack. Oh, sorry. Okay, I give the answer. In the third word is glasses because it's a little difficult. Glasses case. Okay, let's have the fourth word. Okay, Jack, please answer. Where is the fourth word? Okay. Please answer, Jack.
Keyboard.
It's a
Keyboard.
keyboard. It's not a keyboard. It's not a keyboard. It's not pointing on the keyboard. It's like a box. Okay, do you have any idea? Daisy, how about you, Daisy? Do you know what is in the picture? Angel, do you know the answer? Okay, I will give the answer. It's a cupboard.
Đọc to lên,
Cupboard.
đọc to lên em không nghe cái gì đâu.
Okay, Daisy, where are you? Okay, next word. Okay, Jack, please answer.
Computer.
It's a
Computer board.
Almost.
Ừ.
You know this. You know the answer, Jack. You know already. Like, do you have any idea? And Angel?
Keyboard.
Yes, it's a keyboard. Yes, very good. Next, let's have the last word. Okay. Okay, Daisy. Angel, do you know the answer? It's a,
Right.
who answers the whiteboard? Raise your hand. Okay, Angel, very good. It's a whiteboard. Okay, it's not moving. Please wait. Oh, what happened? I don't know what happened. It's not moving.
Hoặc là để bảo mình bật lại cái mạng.
Okay, it's now moving. Next, let's have the next. Let's have this one. Okay. Okay. I will stop sharing first. I will giving you a point because you are helping each other. I giving you a 1 point. And for being persistent. Okay. Now, let's proceed to our lesson. Okay, it's now moving. Okay. Next, let's have, okay, in compounds like this, which are made from 2 words. Yes, if you notice, there is 2 words. The first word is usually stressed. What you got? What have you got? For example, bookcase. Bookcase. Okay. One is book, one is case. But we have 2 words in one. 2 words in one. That's why bookcase. Okay. Now, class, please repeat after me of the words we have learned today. Bookcase.
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 Okay, Daisy, I can't hear you.
Bookcase.
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 Okay, Angel.
Bookcase.
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 Okay, class, next word. Please repeat after me. Pencil case.
Pencil case. Pencil case. Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Okay, class.
Okay. Pencil case. Pencil case.
Good job. Okay, next word. Glasses case.
Glass case.
Glasses.
Glasses case. Glasses case.
Glasses case.
Case. Glasses case.
Okay, Jack.
Case.
Glasses case.
Glasses case.
Okay, very good, Daisy. Very good, Angel. Okay, Jack. Let's try again. Glasses case.
Glasses case.
Okay. Nice job. Next, cupboard.
Board.
Cupboard.
Board. Cupboard. Cupboard.
Okay, Jack, please listen and repeat. Cupboard.
Board.
Daisy, cupboard. Cupboard. Don't forget the D in the last. Cupboard. Okay, next. Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Board.
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 Keyboard.
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 Don't forget the D. The D. Keyboard.
Keyboard. Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Keyboard.
Okay, next. Whiteboard.
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 Okay, very good. Thank you for participating. Now let's have the next. Okay, we have grammar possessive adjectives. Okay, now we have subject pronouns, possessive adjectives, and the example. Okay, let's start with the example. I will read for you. This is my sister.
This is my sister.
Okay, our possessive adjectives is my. And our subject pronouns is I. Okay, please repeat. This is my sister.
This is my sister.
This is my sister.
My sister. This is my sister. This is my sister.
Okay. Angel, please repeat. This is my sister.
This is my sister.
This is my sister.
This is my sister.
Okay, good job. Next, Jack.
Wash your hands.
Wait. We are now in first word. This is my sister.
This is my sister.
Okay, Jack. Where are you?
Sister.
This is my sister.
This is my sister.
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 Okay. Nice job. Next, Daisy. Okay, let's practice this sentence. So, okay. Oh, Jack, you're raising your hand. Do you have any questions? Okay, Jack, do you have question?
Đọc chuyện nào?
Daisy? Jack? Okay.
My sister.
Okay, very good. Nice job. Okay, next, let's have Daisy. Daisy, where are you? Daisy? Daisy, where are you?
Yes.
Daisy, where are you, Daisy? Okay, Jack, you're raising your hand.
Washes your hands.
Okay, let's have the next example. Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Oh, there you are, Daisy.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Okay, wash your hands. Jack, wash your hands. Daisy, wash your hands.
Wash
Okay.
your hands.
Wash your hands is the subject pronouns you, and the possessive adjectives is your. Okay, wash your hands. Okay, Daisy, please repeat. Wash your hands.
Wash your hand.
Wash your hands. Don't forget the S. Wash your hands.
Wash your hand.
Hands.
Hand.
Hands. Because we have
Hand.
2 hands. Wash
Hand.
your hands.
Wash
If-
your hand.
Okay. Jack, please repeat. Wash your hands.
Wash your hand.
Hands. Don't forget the S in the last. Hands. Wash your hands.
Wash your
Okay, Jack.
your hands.
Okay, very good. Now let's have the next sentence. This is his car.
This is his car.
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 Okay,
Car.
Daisy. Car.
Is his car.
This is his car.
This is his car.
This is his car.
This is his car.
Perfect. Okay, Jack. This is his car.
This is his car.
This is his car.
This is his car.
Okay, Angel.
This is his car.
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 Okay, please listen and repeat. Car.
Car. Car.
This is his car.
This is his car.
Okay, the pronouns is he and the adjective is his. This is his car.
This is his car.
Okay, good job, everyone. Now let's have the next word. Her name is Monica.
Her name is Monica.
Her name is Monica.
Her name is Monica.
Daisy,
Her
her name,
Monica.
her name,
is Monica.
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 Her name is Monica.
Her name is Monica.
Okay, Angel, her name is Monica.
Her name is Monica.
Her name is Monica.
Her name is Michael.
Monica.
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 Her name is Monica.
Her name is Monica.
Okay, Jack. Her name is Monica.
Her name is Monica.
Her name is
Her
Monica.
name is Monica.
Okay, next. Its teeth are very sharp.
Tears are very sharp.
Okay. Its teeth
Teeth are very sharp.
Its teeth are very sharp.
Its teeth is very sharp.
Its teeth are very sharp.
Its teeth are very sharp.
Okay, Daisy. Its teeth are very sharp.
Its teeth are very sharp.
Very,
Very sharp.
very sharp. Its teeth are very sharp, Jack.
Its teeth are very sharp.
Okay,
Its
next.
teeth are very sharp.
Its teeth are very sharp.
Teeth are very sharp.
Teeth. Teeth.
Yeah.
Its teeth are very sharp.
Very sharp.
Again, its teeth are very sharp.
Its teeth are very sharp.
Okay, good job. Next, let's have subject pronouns it, and the possessive adjectives is its. Next word, next sentence. We began our work at noon. We began our work at noon.
We began our work at noon.
Okay, Jack. We began our work at noon.
We began our work at noon.
Our.
Our
Noon.
noon.
Okay, again. We began
We began
our
our work at
noon.
noon.
Okay, next. Angel. We began
We began
our.
at noon.
Wow. We began our work at noon.
We began our work at noon.
Okay.
We began our work at noon.
Okay, Daisy. We began our work at noon. Okay, next. Pronouns is we and the adjectives our. We is our subject and our is the adjectives. Okay, next sentence. Is that your wallet?
Is that your wallet?
Is that your wallet?
Is that your wallet?
Wallet.
Is that your wallet?
Okay, Jack, is that your wallet?
Is that yes
Your
Yeah.
wallet?
wallet?
Is that your wallet? Okay, Angel,
Yes.
is that your wallet?
No. Is that your wallet?
Okay, with a question mark. Don't forget, if there's a question mark, you read it like a question, okay? Is that your wallet?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Please repeat. Is that your wallet? Is that your wallet? Okay, Daisy. Next, Daisy. Is that your wallet?
Is that your wallet?
Wallet.
Wallet? Wallet?
Wallet.
Wallet. Is that your wallet?
The T. T in the last T.
Is that your wallet?
Wallet.
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 Wallet. Is that your wallet?
That's your wallet. Yes, your wallet.
Okay, next let's have the last sentence. Okay, their house is near the city.
The house is near the city.
Let's start with Jack. Please repeat. Their house is near the city.
The house is near the city.
Their house is near the city.
The house is near the city.
Good job. Okay, next, Angel. Their house is near the city.
The house is near the city.
Their house is near the city.
The house is near the city.
Very good. Okay. Next, Daisy.
Their house is near the city.
Their house is near the city.
Their house is near the city.
City.
Their house is near the city.
Okay, good job, Jack.
Their
Okay.
house is near a city.
The city.
Their house is near the city.
Okay. Okay, Daisy, again. For the one last time.
House is now a city.
Near. Their house is near the city.
Their house is near a city.
Okay. Now, thus the subject is they and the adjectives is there. Okay, we are done with this section. Is everything clear?
Yes.
Okay. Jack, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Daisy, is it clear? Okay, next. Let's have B. Section B. Write, who is it? Write his, her, or their. Okay. His. Okay, let's start. I will choose one student first.
Yes. Here.
Wait.
Back.
Okay, please wait, please
Yes,
wait.
here, back.
Let me explain first.
His.
His, it means a man or a boy. Her, it means woman or girl. Or their, it means
Her.
more than 3
Is
persons.
her back.
Okay, let's start with Angel, number 1. Please answer.
Is her bag.
Her bag. Okay, her bag. Very good. Next, number 2. Daisy, please answer. It's it's
Gì đấy? Gì đấy?
okay, let's wait first, Daisy. It's
Is his.
the answer is
Is.
Daisy, what's the answer?
Is.
Okay, Angel, the answer is his. Okay, thank you for helping, Daisy. Good job. Okay, next, let's have number 3. Okay, Jack, please answer.
It. His dog.
Okay. What's the answer? It's
Is there. Is.
it's
their dog. It's his dog.
okay, nice try, Jack. But the correct answer is there. There means more than 3 people. Okay? It means there means more than 3 people. Okay, is everything clear? Before we move on to our next section, her is for girl.
Girl.
Boy, his is for his is for Daisy. His is for boy.
Boy.
There is for
Is
more than 3 person. Okay?
3 buses.
Okay.
Is there.
Do you have any questions, class? Do you have any questions? Is everything clear so far? Is everything clear so far? Okay, Jack, is everything clear to you? Tell me so I can help you. Okay, let's study together. Angel, do you have any questions? Is everything clear? Hello? Hello, class. Where are you? Is everything clear? so we can move on to the next. Okay, Jack, is clear?
Yes.
Okay, Daisy, is clear?
Is
Okay, now let's move on to the next section. Oh no, it's not moving again. I don't know what happened. Oh, no, no, not the class torch. No. Okay, let's have the starter step. We are now in listening part 2. Okay, part of a name. From example, street, miss, might be on the answer paper. You will hear these words on the audio, so please listen attentively. Please listen carefully. For example, good street, Miss Hall. Okay, but they are not spelled out. The part of the name that you have to write, for example, good hall, is always spelled out on the audio. Okay, we are now in the listening part. Listening.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Jack, are you ready, Jack?
Yes.
Okay, Daisy, are you ready, Daisy? Hello, Daisy. Hello, Daisy, where are you, Daisy? Oh, Daisy. Hello. Hello, Daisy. Okay, you're there. I thought you're sleeping. You sleep later after our lesson, okay?
I'm cold.
You are cold. Oh, you are cold. Okay, later. Maybe after our lesson, you can sleep. Okay, let's start the next. Okay, let's have section C. Read the question, listen, and write a name or a number. Now, let's listen to the audio. Okay, okay, class. Please listen carefully. Okay, because the answer will be on the audio. Okay? Okay? The audio starts now.
23C. At our school. Read the question. Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
Hello, Mr. Line. It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday. How old are you now? 8?
Yes, that's right. I'm 8 today.
Is that your brother behind you?
Yes, that's Nick.
Does he spell his name N-I-C-K?
Yes.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1.
Where do you go to school, May?
I go to the school in Good Street.
And how do you spell good?
G-O-O-D.
Oh, yes, I know.
2.
How many children are there in your class?
There are 15.
15? That's a small class.
Yes, I like that.
3.
Now, May, who are your friends in your class?
Well, I like Kim. Kim sits next to me.
Do you spell her name K-I-M?
Yes, that's right.
4.
Do you learn English at school, May?
Yes, I'm good at English.
Who's your English teacher?
Her name's Mrs. Hall.
Oh, Mrs. Hall. Do you spell that H-A-L-L?
Yes,
5.
And which class are you in now?
I'm in class 8.
Class 8. Okay. Thank you for answering my questions.
Okay, we are done with our audio. Now, let's answer the question. Okay, let's have first the example. How old is May? 8. 8 years old. Okay, next example. What is May's brother's name? Nick. May's brother is May's brother's name? Nick. Okay. Let's start with question number 1. I will choose one of you. Okay, Jack, please answer. Where is May's school?
Straight.
And the answer is?
8.
Okay. Again?
15.
Nice try. And do you know the answer, Angel?
Joe. Joe.
Daisy, do you know the answer?
Job Street.
Good street. The answer is good. Good street. Okay, good job, Angel, for helping Jack. Next question, number 2 question. How many children are there in May's class? Oh, you're raising your hands. Okay, let's first ask Daisy. Daisy, how many children are there in May's class? Daisy, how many? How many?
2.
2? How many?
Is 2.
2. Okay, nice try, Daisy. The answer is Angel. Please answer.
15.
15. Very good. Okay, it's 15. Next question. Okay, Jack, please answer number 3. What is the name of May's friend? What is the name? Jack? Oh, I told you to listen carefully. Jack,
No.
do you know the answer? Oh, it's Kim. It's Kim. Okay, next. Let's have number 4. Who is May's English teacher? Mrs. Okay, Angel?
Miss her.
Mrs.
Miss her.
Hall. Hall.
Hall.
Hall.
Hall.
Hall. Okay, let's have the last question, number 5. What is the number of May's class? What's the number? Okay, Angel?
8.
8. It's number 8. Okay, good job, Angel. You have answered it all correctly. And because of that, I'm giving you a rabbit. A rabbit toy. Okay, we are done with our section. Now, class, don't forget to our listening part. Don't forget to listen carefully, okay? Next time, please listen carefully because when we are choosing a top 1, top 2, top 3, the top 1, we are giving a gift from the school, okay? Is everything clear? Is everything clear, Angel?
Yeah.
Okay, Jack, is everything clear? Jack, where are you? Daisy, where are you? Next time, please listen carefully, okay? Next, we are done with this. Let's have section D. Read about Grace's school and complete the questions. I will read the article. Hello, I go to Clark School. It's in Watch Street. I'm in class 10 now. Class 10. There are 25 children in my class. My new teacher is Miss Hall. She's very nice. My friend Dan sits next to me. Okay, let's start. Read about Grace School and complete the questions. So we are now making a questions. Okay, we are going to complete the questions, what's in the blank. Okay. Let's start with the first example. I will give an example. What's the name of your... Okay, the example answer is school. What's the name of your school? Okay, it's Clark School. We are making now a question. Okay. Is everything clear? Do you have any questions?
Yes.
Okay. What's your question, Angel? About?
How many students are there in your class?
Yes, that's a correct answer. We are making a question. Okay, your answer is correct. Okay, I will start asking a question. So complete the question, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Daisy, where are you? Oh, I can't see Daisy. Daisy, where are you?
I'm here.
Please listen carefully, class. So you will let's learn together and don't hesitate to ask. Okay, ask Angel.
What your friend name?
Okay. Okay, you will answer later, Angel. I will ask first Daisy. Number 2. Let's have where? Where? Okay, what's the answer? Number 2. Where's your... Okay, Daisy, please answer. Where?
Where your
Yes, yes. Where your?
mind
Where? Where do you study? Where? Okay, wait. Please wait, Angel. Let's ask first, Daisy.
Where's your English teacher?
Oh, okay. I will give the answer. Where's your school? Okay, next, number 3. Okay, number 3. Jack, please answer. Which?
Many schools.
Okay, Jack, please answer. Jack, where are you? I can't see you. Jack, where's your school? What's the name of your school? Okay, let's have number 3. Jack, please answer. Hello.
10.
Okay, which? Which?
Which your school?
Oh, yes, correct. Class are you in? Which class are you in? Okay, next, number 4. Are you ready, Angel? Okay, number 4, please answer. Number 4. Okay, please answer, Angel. Your turn.
How many students are in class?
Wow, how many students? Okay, next, number 5. Daisy. 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 Hello, Daisy. Where are you? Okay, what's your name?
What's
You,
your
your?
name? Friend. What's your
Yes, my name.
my name? What's your Miss High name?
Okay. Nice try, Daisy. Okay, Angel.
What's your friend?
Okay, nice try, Angel. Jack, do you know?
Your friend name?
Okay, nice try, Angel, Daisy. Jack, do you know the answer? You don't know the answer?
What's your dad name?
Okay. The answer is
Dan.
teacher's name.
Dan.
What's your teacher's name?
Trường cấp bé. Hôm qua con uống cốc.
What's your teacher's I don't understand, Angel. Okay. Now let's have number 6. Last question. Do you know the answer, Angel? Who? Who?
Do you me next to? Next to. Dance is next to.
Okay. The answer is sit next to you. Who do you sit next to you? Okay, let's have the next. You are Grace now. Read the text answer of the questions. Okay, let's have I'm sorry, it's not moving. Okay, wait. It's not moving. Oh, we are running out of time. Okay, wait. Okay, let's have number 1. Okay, please repeat after me, Angel. Okay, Angel. My school's name is Clock School.
My school name is Clock School.
My school's name is Clock School.
My school name is Clock School.
Okay, Daisy. Daisy, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, please repeat. It's in Watch Street. It's in Watch Street. Street.
Street.
Okay, next, number 3. Okay, Jack. 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 I'm in the class 10.
Bố làm thế nào?
Please repeat,
Làm gì
Jack.
học?
I'm in the
Cái này
class
đi.
10.
Ui, giỏi quá.
I'm in the class 10. Okay, next, number 4. Please repeat, Angel. There are 25.
There are 25.
There are 25.
There are 25.
Next, number 5. Daisy.
This
My teacher's name
my
is
teacher name is
Miss Hall.
Mitchell.
My teacher's
My
name is
teacher
Miss
name
Hall.
is Luna.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, next, number 6. Jack. Where are you, Jack? Okay, where are you, Jack? Hello? Hello, Jack? Okay. Jack? Jack, where are you?
Yes.
Okay, please repeat. My teacher's name is Miss Hall.
Your name is Mitchell.
I sit next to my friend, Dan.
I sit next to my friend Dan.
Okay, we are done. Let's have E. Okay, section E. Okay, answer the questions from the about your school. I go to
The school.
Okay. What's
I
name of
go
your
to
school?
The school.
Okay. What's name of your school?
I go to the school.
Okay.
I go to the school.
Okay, next. Where is your school?
My school in school. My school is Town.
Okay. This is the answer, class. Okay, wait. It's not moving. Okay, wait. It's not moving. Please wait. Ah. Oh, we are running out of time, class. Now I will make a score. Okay, I'm making a score now. Do you see your names?
Yeah.
Okay. I will give for Angel for helping others. Yes. And also, you will be the top one. Okay. And teamwork. Yes. And Daisy is top two. You are working hard. Okay. And teamwork. And our top three is Jack. Okay. Well done, Jack. You're also participating and also, but you are arrived late. Okay. Now, you are persistent. Very good. Okay, class. We are now going to end our lesson. For our top one, Angel, I'm giving you a toy cat. Angel, a toy cat. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, for our top two, I'm giving you. Okay, Daisy, where are you? Where are you, Daisy? Daisy, where are you, Daisy? Our top two.
I'm
Okay, I'm giving you a teddy bear, angel teddy bear. Okay, and our top three, Jack, where are you, Jack? Jack, where are you, Jack? Jack. Okay.
this.
Okay, our top three, a bunny. A bunny. Okay, do your best and always remember our lesson. So next time I will have a recap. Okay, do your best. Have a good night, class. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye, class. Thank you.